How to remove your post from trash on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your post from trash on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click on your profile here. And after click on it, just click this 3 points and then click archive and now click trash and then just select your post here and click this icon in the bottom corner and then yes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.